In first problem, we have the following operations. We have multiplication, we have subtraction, multiplication, and subtraction. But two subtractions are inside of the parentheses. But no matter what operations we have inside of the parentheses, we're supposed to do them first. So what I'm going to have right now, I have to copy down 9 and perform the operation inside of the parentheses. 9 minus 2 is equal 7. Minus 5. 4 minus 3 is equal 1. Equals. Now I'm supposed to perform the multiplication. 9 times 7 is 63. Minus 5 times 1 is 5. Next, I'm supposed to perform the subtraction. 63 minus 5 is equal 58. And this is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second problem. This time we have operations, multiplication. Inside of the parentheses we have addition and multiplication. We have to do operations inside of the parentheses first. But inside of the parentheses we have addition and multiplication. We have to do multiplication first. So what I'm going to have, 2, and I have 5. I have to perform the multiplication first. Plus 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Equals. Again, I have to perform the operation inside of the parentheses. I have 2, 5 plus 35 is equal 40. Equals. Now I can perform multiplication. 2 times 40 is equal 80. And this is the solution to my second problem.